Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you your half yearly question paper with answers. So, during the first question is fill in the blanks for class 8. During the first half of 18th century, the great Mughal empire dash and disintegrated. Decade is the answer, 1 marks each question. The Mughal emperors who ruled India after death of Aurangzeb are known as dash Mughals, later Mughals. There were dash group of nobles in Mughal court during the decline of Mughal empire, 4 group of nobles. That is also 1 marks. Madras, Bombay and dash became the headquarters of the British settlements. So dash will be Calcutta. Next, Bengal in the 18th century was the richest and the most fertile province. Fertile is the answer. Dalhousie annexed the state of Satara, Nagpur and Jhansi. Jhansi is the answer by doctrine of lapse. So Jhansi was annexed. 1 marks this question. Land revenue system introduced by British caused great hardship and misery. The dash will be filled up with misery among the peasants. Choose true false now. So in true false, first question, Mughal court was united and stable during the decline of Mughal empire. False. It was not united, it was divided due to the rivalry between the nobles. The Mughal officers were given jagirs as payment for their services during the decline of Mughal empire. True. Aurangzeb's Deccan campaign was a financial disaster that ruined the Mughal empire and made its collapse inevitable. True. The successors of Aurangzeb were very strong and inefficient during the decline of they were weak. So it will be false. English East India Company was given the right to issue passes or dastaks. True. British army was defeated in the Battle of Buxar. No. It will be false. They won. Warren Hastings laid the foundation of an organized system of government in Bengal. True. Indian rulers were quite satisfied with Lord Dalhousie's expansionist policies. No. False. It will be 1 marks each question. Choose the correct answer. Dash followed a policy of religious tolerance. Akbar. Invasion of Ahmad Shah Abdali, the ruler of Afghanistan. Afghanistan is the correct answer. Nadir Shah looted and plundered Delhi and carried away valuable treasures, including the priceless Kohinoor diamond and the Peacock throne. Peacock is the answer. The English East India Company set up its factory at Surat, and largest and the most prosperous European settlement in Bengal was a British settlement at Calcutta. Alivardi Khan was succeeded by his grandson Siraj-ud-Daulah. The dual government in Bengal was introduced by Robert Clive. When Awadh was annexed, the estates of Jamindar and Talukdars were confiscated. So choose the correct answer. This is going on. Each question is carrying 1 marks. Prior to the outbreak of revolt, Bahadur Shah Zafar lived in Delhi as a pensioner. Revolt in Kanpur was led by Nana Sahib. Now, picture study. First picture is of Bahadur Shah Zafar. The second picture is of Siraj-ud-Daulah, Nawab of Bengal. And third is of Mangal Pandey. Then from civics fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks question carries off 1 marks. That is judiciary. Next, the Union Parliament has 2 houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The President can be removed from the office by a procedure known as impeachment. President appoints the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court. Supreme Court. The dash before the court was Supreme. The answer is Supreme Court. Each question of in the blanks, 1 marks. Now choose true false also, 1 marks each. A money bill has to be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. It's false. Lok Sabha. The budget, Lok Sabha money bill is introduced, compulsory. The budget is an estimate of an annual income and expenditure of the government of India. True. President is elected for the term of 4 years. No, it will be false. The president is elected for a term of 5 years. The president can declare war or conclude peace. True. Yes. Choose the correct answer. The dash is known as Council of States, Rajya Sabha. The dash is nominal head of government of India, President. So these are your answers with each question carrying 1 marks. True, false, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, all is carrying off 1 marks each. So you read the question, even in PDF format I am giving in your study material also. So from there you can get the answers very nicely, you can read it from there. Okay students, thank you.